Hey everyone, welcome to the CaptainDrone YouTube channel. My name is Steve, and here we have Jedi Steve, and today we're going to fly the FMS J-10. It's super cold out here, so this is going to be a really quick intro. This is a 64mm EDF Jet with a 12-bladed fan and a 40-amp ESC, and it runs on a 4S battery. We're going to run it on a 4S 100C LiPo battery for this flight.
What size battery does this fly on?
It flies, I'm glad you asked that. It flies on a 2200 milliamp hour LiPo battery. You could probably get a 3000 in there, but 2200 is best. Okay. And it gets the CG just about perfect. If you want to fly this in the evening, it does have LEDs on it. You have one on each wing, so the left wing, the right wing, and you have one at the very top up here.
And also near the...
Oh my God, I forgot to take a picture of that. There is an LED down in the forward section. Right. Hopefully I have a picture of that one.
Near the air intake, yes.
There is a little pilot in the canopy, some details, it looks really cool, plus a refueling pod outside. It's got canards in the front, but the canards don't do anything.
Nice color scheme. Is there another color, though, Steve, or is that it?
There is another color scheme, and it's in gray. And if you get the gray one that's all gray, you get all the ordnance with it. So you get all the rockets and the missiles and everything else. Okay. But I don't know if you fly with that, because these planes, 64mm, if you fly with something like that, it's going to fly pretty slow.
Could be a lot of drag, yes.
Yeah, a lot of drag. Surface areas, it has no flaps, but you do have elevators in the back that go up and down, and you do have a rudder. For your elevators and your ailerons, it's a mix, like Elevon type things. But the cool thing is, you don't have to know any of that. So if you don't know how to program that in your radio, don't worry about it. As soon as you plug in your receiver, you just set it up like a normal plane, and it configures it all for you. It does it in whatever little electronics are in there. There's pretty good suspension on this. If you can lightly push on the pilot's head, you can see the forward section. Nice. Yeah, it's got suspension up there, which is really good. We're going to fly with the IX-14, and I'm going to chase it with my DJI FPV drone. So you'll see me chasing it with that as well. Plus, I'm going to film it from the ground with a telephoto lens, so we'll get some close-ups. I'm assuming it goes really fast, and since it goes fast and it's small, it might be difficult to catch the footage, but I'll try my best. What else did I want to say? Oh, and I'm going to put some cameras on it. And the cameras I use in every single video I make, they're always Insta360 cameras, because that's the only company that makes small little cameras that are self-powered that you can stick on planes.
They do a good job.
And they do a good job, So you'll see the footage from that. So, Steve, shall we fly?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. One thing I forgot to mention is that the J-10 does come with a reflex unit, Reflex version 3. This is a gyro to help your plane remain stable in flight. If you buy the Reflex version 3 by itself, it's $37 US. But FMS includes it in this plane, so there's a considerable savings. Now for a pilot like myself, I love gyros because when I make videos I have to talk and fly and avoid humans and everything else, so gyros are awesome for keeping the plane stable. But not everybody loves a gyro, because they will fight you when you're trying to fly the plane, because they're trying to keep the plane steady and you're trying to do something else to it. So Jedi Steve, he doesn't like gyros, and he turns it off in this video. All right, Jedi Steve, you are ready for the maiden, are you?
I'm ready.
All right, anytime.
Oh, that's got no power, Steve. No power.
Oh, bring her back then.
Change the battery. No.
You should have been able to go.
Yeah, I should have been able to.
It sounded whippy when you went.
Yeah.
Like there's nothing wrong here. All the wires are good. There you go. Give it lots of thrust, see if she moves.
Yes, that's better.
Okay. All right, Jedi Steve, are you set to fly?
I'm ready.
Let me get the heck out of your way then. All right, take it away. He's up, and he's going into the sun. He's in the sun.
Yeah, I'm taming the beast right now, Steve.
I'm confused. It seems kind of fast. Is that fast, Steve?
It's fast, yes. Yeah, I think so. I think I'd call it fast. I like it better full manual. Starting to feel the juice coming out.
Is the whole runway you're coming from?
Oh, it's definitely coming in now.
Coming from the forest?
No, coming from the school. I'm low in power.
Okay, I got you.
Ah! Oop.
Hey, Steve. Did you run out of battery power?
Yeah, I just ran out of battery. Yeah, I'm
Holy
hearing
cow.
beeping now. So
how many minutes did you fly for?
that was you gave me 3 or 3.5.
I gave you 3.5.
3.5. So I got 3 minutes 24 seconds before it started losing power.
Oh
so.
crap! We got to set that to like 3 minutes.
Yeah,
then.
3 minutes.
So let's check this battery. Let's get it out. You've got your camera still running?
Yeah.
And I don't have glasses. This is not good.
Okay.
This is funny because Steve is filming with this camera. I can't see where he's filming. I'm not wearing glasses.
Let's
So
hope.
everything's blurry.
Yeah,
So
I'll get
I
it
don't
up
know. Let's
near
see.
my eyes there.
I don't even know how this goes. See, I don't have glasses on. So.
You want me to try? Oh, you got it.
Did I get it? No.
I don't hear
Let's
anything.
try
You got-
this one.
Go, yeah. Yeah, you got it. Okay.
Okay, what's it say?
I'll read it. It's this one is full. You grab the full. The full
Hang
one
on.
is great, Steve.
Oh, that's right. The one we want. This is the one we want. I tell you. Hey, I guess without glasses I get dumb
Yeah.
as well. I don't know. Let's try this again.
Oh, yeah,
the other
closer
way.
to the main plug.
Oh my God. This is
Go
like,
right against the main plug.
this is
yeah.
like the Special Olympics here. This is what the heck?
No, closer. No,
I got
the other end.
Oh, this end.
Yes.
Oh. Did I get it?
No.
Give me
Let's
this.
get-
Let's put this in.
Yes.
It's a smart battery. It will do it. There we go.
All right.
All right.
Let me read it.
Is
It's
it-
reading. Oh, danger, danger. 335, 3233. Yeah, we're definitely low. It says 0. So.
Yeah. Oh, it says.
It says 0. So
I believe 0 is bad.
yeah, 0's bad. Oh, that thing sucks power, man.
Yeah.
Go the other way. You are blind.
I am blind.
Follow the sound of my voice, Steve. All right, let's do her.
All right, Steve. You
All
ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Timer expired.
Oh my God.
You got her up?
Yeah. Ooh,
How's it fly with the cameras?
not good. Holy Jesus.
Oh, Jedi Steve.
I
Look
had to
at him
gather all
go.
my skills for that one.
You're upside down.
I don't know how we missed a tree over there, but we did.
Okay, let me catch up. Yeah, I got you now. It's just that when it turns funny.
Oh, tell me about it.
Minus 1 minute.
I got you now. You're like tail heavy or something.
Man, that thing's a handful.
So set up for a landing.
All right, I'll come in from, okay.
Got no choice. This thing's flying not so good with the cameras on it. Do your best.
Coming in.
Well, you got her down.
Oh, we lost the nose.
How's the plane doing? Just the nose has to pop back
The
on?
nose, yeah, the nose broken too.
Oh.
I think I got all the parts, yeah.
I don't see anything else.
And we still got 2 cameras though, that's good.
It's good.
I was 90% sure I was going to hit the tree over there.
Well, that was a good flight, except I think Steve tried it with no reflex on, so there was nothing helping him fly. He was flying at full manual. And when we put the cameras on, we upset the CG of the plane, even though we thought we had it pretty good, but I think we didn't. So this camera up top survived, didn't come flying off, and we did put a camera on the bottom. You probably saw it in the filming. If I flip it upside down, it's right there, and it didn't come off. It's held on with double-sided tape. All right, so you're back to us. The next thing I want to show you is what comes in the box when you buy this and how simple it is to assemble. Planes are so simple to assemble these days, and this one is one of those very easy to assemble planes. So check this out, then come back to us and we'll give you our thoughts on that entire flight. Here we have the box. The J-10 comes in. Inside the box, you can see everything is well packaged. Inside the box, you'll find the instruction manual for the plane as well as the instruction manual for the included Reflex version 3 gyro. A USB-C cable is provided in case you want to plug the gyro into your computer. Other items in the box include the main wings, the wing spar, the vertical stabilizer, the main fuselage, the removable nose cone, the forward canards, the removable belly fins, as well as the removable landing gear, and finally a bag full of hardware to assemble the plane. Now let me show you how to assemble the plane. First, take the main fuselage, then attach the forward canards. The canards are held in place with glue. You can use any type of foam glue, crazy glue, CA glue, anything you have around the house, all will work. When everything is in place, your canards will look like this. Next, you'll want to install the forward landing gear. Just place it over the metal rod coming out of the forward fuselage. Then tighten the grub screw to lock it in place. If you can't find the grub screw, I'm pointing at it right here. The remaining gear fits into the slots into the main fuselage. These are the brackets that are going to hold the main landing gear in place. Once you place the bracket over the landing gear, screw all 6 screws to hold the entire landing gear system. The 2 belly fins require no glue to be installed, just put them on the main fuselage, push down, then pull backwards. To install the vertical stabilizer, first pull the 2 wires out of the main fuselage, then pull the 2 wires out of the vertical stabilizer and connect all the wires together. Next, add some glue and then push the vertical stabilizer into position. To install the main wings, you first need to push the wing spar through the main fuselage, then pull the 2 wires out of the main fuselage and the 2 wires out of one of the wings, connect them together, then take that wing and put it over the wing spar and push it flush with the main fuselage, and when everything's correct, it will look like this. Then secure both wings into position using the included 4 screws. The nose cone is designed to snap on or snap off during a crash, so just snap it on. The refueling pod slides into the side of the fuselage. And finally, the canopy clicks into position. Your J-10 is now complete. All you have to do is add your own receiver and a battery and go fly. So you're back to us, and the first thing I want to say, from the ground trying to film this, it's small, very hard to catch it in the camera. I don't know how much footage I got, but it was difficult to film.
And the sun angle was
sun angle, yeah,
very
the
bad
sun at this time of year, not good.
Yes.
Trying to chase it with the drone. Well, when I chased it with the drone, that's when the CG was all messed up because we stuck cameras on it for the second flight.
And it might have been a bad idea in this case.
Yeah, bad idea because we thought we had it pretty close, but every once in 100 flights, something goes wrong.
Yeah, you mess it up a little bit.
But anyways, Jedi Steve, how did you keep it in the air?
I don't know, magical powers, intervention from God. I don't know what happened there, but we saved it.
And we had a little bit of damage. So in the very front, I'll show you a picture. The nose, the very tip of it came off.
Interestingly enough, this came off, but it slides right back in, so which is a good feature.
Yeah. So other than that, there's no damage. The nose we just glue back on. It's like it's foam. That's what foam planes are designed for. You just glue them back together. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Links to this plane are below. It does come with a gyro. So if you are new at flying, not brand new, but as Steve says, you've got some experience. Leave the gyro on and you'll have no problems. But yeah, don't turn the gyro off unless you know what you're doing.
No, exactly.
Yeah, that's it. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have questions, post them below. Like I said, the links are below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. We're going to go get warm. Talk to you in the next one. Bye.